Imagine you are a security analyst for a large company. You are tasked with investigating a possible data breach. You know that attackers might have left behind some clues, but you are not sure where to look. That's where CTFs come in. CTFs are a great way to learn about the different ways that attackers can exploit vulnerabilities. By participating in CTFs, you can learn how to identify and exploit these vulnerabilities yourself. For example, let's say you are participating in a CTF that involves a website. The challenge might be to find a hidden flag on the website. To do this, you might need to use your knowledge of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to inspect the website's code. Once you have found the flag, you can submit it to the CTF platform. If you are the first person to find the flag, you will earn points for your team. CTFs are a great way to learn about cybersecurity and to test your skills. They are also a lot of fun. If you are interested in learning more about CTFs, here are some resources to help you get started. I will put the links in the description box. There are many different types of CTF challenges. I will cover each type in future videos. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next video.